What is that?
You've probably seen these on your feed already. Channels like Chloe vs History are pulling millions of views and tens of thousands of followers, and they started back in February. That's just a few months, just AI. So how are they actually making these? That's what I'm going to show you, start to finish. Using Claude to write every prompt, OpenArt to generate the images, and Seedance 2.0 to turn those images into video. Stick with me, because there are 3 little problems that show up along the way that almost nobody warns you about. And each one has a dead simple fix. By the end, you'll have the whole pipeline, the exact prompts, and the fixes. I start in Claude, and I ask for a scene from the Titanic, back in 1912. And here's what comes back: 3 shots, fully broken down, with the dialogue for each one and the characters that appear around every shot. That's our blueprint for the entire scene. Now, before any video, we need our main character locked in, the same face in every single shot. So I ask Claude to write a prompt that builds a character reference sheet. Here's the prompt it gives us. Copy that prompt, then head over to OpenArt, click on Image, and choose GPT Image 2 as the model. Paste the prompt into the description box. Make sure you select 16:9 and 2K, or whatever quality you want, and hit Generate. Give it a second to cook, and here it is. It takes us right back to the 1920s look. Clean, consistent, and exactly the character we'll carry through the whole scene. Now back to Claude. I ask it to generate the first frame image for shot 1, and this is the prompt we get. Copy it. Over in OpenArt, click Image again, make sure GPT Image 2 is still selected. This time, drag and drop the character reference right into the description, then paste the copied prompt underneath it. Pick your aspect ratio and quality, and hit Generate. And here's our first frame, our character dropped straight into the scene. Back to Claude one more time, and now I ask it to write a video prompt for shot 1. Here's the prompt it gives us, copy it. Now in OpenArt, switch to video and set the model to Seedance 2.0, drag and drop that first frame image in as the starting frame, and paste the video prompt from Claude into the description. Make sure audio is on, set the duration to 9 seconds because that's how long this shot runs, and choose normal mode. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 and hit Generate. And here's the first shot.
2,200 people on board, and I count 16 lifeboats, so like half of us are decorative?
There is no cause for alarm, miss. She is unsinkable.
That's not a boat count, sir.
Real quick, if this is useful so far, do me a favor. Like the video, share it with someone who'd build this, drop a comment with the scene you want next, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Okay, back. Same loop for the next shot. I ask Claude for the first frame prompt and copy it. Over in OpenArt, click Image, paste the prompt, and Generate. And here's the frame, this time with a couple in it. Then back to Claude for the video prompt for that shot, and copy it. In OpenArt, choose Video, drop in the first frame for shot 2, paste the prompt, set the duration to 10 seconds, and Generate. And here's the video.
If something did happen, who's getting a seat?
Women and children, and gentlemen of standing.
And the other 1,500 people?
Why would anything happen, dear? God himself couldn't sink her.
Everyone keeps saying that. With their whole chest, it's starting to freak me out.
Now there are 3 problems in this shot. The woman mostly stares straight into the camera the whole time, which doesn't feel natural. She talks way too fast. And the couple beside her isn't talking to her, and they're not even looking at the camera. So I go back to Claude and ask it to fix the prompt. Here's the updated version it gives us. Copy it. Back in OpenArt, paste the new prompt, keep the same frame, but this time bump the duration to 12 seconds, and Generate. And here's the revised clip. Now it actually reads like a real conversation. On to the final shot. Back to Claude for the image prompt, copy it, drop it into OpenArt, Generate, and here's the frame. Then we grab the video prompt for it, copy that too. In OpenArt, choose Video, drop the new frame in as the start frame, paste the prompt, set the duration to 13 seconds, and Generate. But watch this one closely. She's holding a handheld camera in her left hand, and then as she turns, it jumps to her right hand. Looks off. So we fix it in Claude first, copy the corrected prompt, paste it back into OpenArt, and Generate. And here's the new clip. The camera stays put, and she turns naturally. And here's the completed scene.
2,200 people on board, and I count 16 lifeboats, so like half of us are decorative?
There is no cause for alarm, miss. She is unsinkable.
That's not a boat count, sir. Genuine question. If something did happen, who's getting a seat?
Women and children, and gentlemen of standing.
And the other 1,500 people?
Why would anything happen, dear? God himself couldn't sink her.
Everyone keeps saying that. With their whole chest. starting to freak me out. Wait. Why did everyone just go quiet?
Something ahead! Dead ahead!
Okay, what is that?
If you want the next breakdown, subscribe and tell me which scene I should build next. See you there.